They just have
Dan
daughters,
Beer,
right?
you
They
can
don't
tell
have
me
any
who was the
sons. Two
first
daughters.
commissioner, one of the founders of the Johnstown. That's a fishing pier we've just gone by over in Cincinnati in the park. Video comment to Sweeter Point Park. There's a little stone building right next to the fishing pier. You can still see it. It's kind of hidden in the trees. Cincinnati's original waterworks.
How? Took the men's class.
All the riverfront diving spots on the Cincinnati Riverfront are right in this area. And all over the sunny side. And the Mexican restaurant, the Shark House. Those two are still in Newport. Ensign Harbor and the Buckhead Mountain Grill Steakhouse. Actually in Bellevue. Those are all as close as you can get to the river. They're extended out on here. Sunny side, there's only one place to dine on the riverfront, and there's only been one, and that's at the boathouse, right across from our boats. Boathouse, rounded glass front, the big red awning. Boathouse houses one of the high-producing restaurants in the country, in Montgomery and Brookhaven downtown locations. Best known for their ribs, Saratoga chips, and lots of other great stuff. Well, folks, we certainly hope you enjoyed your lunch. Well, they will be out for about another 10 minutes. So you still got plenty of time. So you started late or whatever, we will open up late. Everything should still be there. I think all the cookies and desserts that are left, they'll leave those out. The rest of the buffet will be disappearing in about 10 minutes.
I go to those when I was